Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing an apron from someone's garage out to the alleyway, and then a little strip so that their back gate of their back fence can run on concrete versus dirt. It has like little wheels. You guys will see that in the video. But either way, stick around for the excavation, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye. What's up, guys? There it is. We dug it out. Good thing about these driveways, aprons, areas that have been driven on for 30-40 years without us doing any paving, it's very hard. It's very hard to dig out, and it's very hard on what you leave behind. So it's really good for our concrete. Check this out. We dug it out. We got some room for road base, and then here's a little strip. This is going to be almost 2 feet wide for the tires to run on. Should be pretty nice. We're going to be prepping it tomorrow, pouring on Thursday. Our evenings are looking a little wet, which is great here in Colorado. We've been needing the moisture. All in all, guys, everything's looking good so far. We're going to be sock cutting this asphalt here once all the work is done. We leave that till the end because, you know, you run over it midway through the job and you have to cut again and again and again. But either way, stick around, guys. See you then. Bye-bye.
Small little. Here's the driveway. There it is, boys and girls. Peace.
Échale un poquito, aquí yo le hago esto por lo...
No, no, oh, okay. Oh, ingot, un ingot de oro. No, eso no es inversión, no mames, uno de esos solo, cada uno vale. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So pour went well. We poured at 7 in the morning. Poured a slightly lower slump. It might rain this evening, so I want this to set up. 0.5% NCA, 4,500 microfiber. Even though we got delivered the big regular fibers, not a big deal for me. They just look kind of funky. Makes the concrete look hairy. But there it is, guys. Came out good. Little strip over there came out really, really nice. So next week we are working on a back patio. We're leveling out someone's yard. They're using us for a couple things since our machine is there, but it's pretty straightforward. Patio, couple steps, everything came out good. But next week we're actually going to skip a few days at the beginning of the week because it might snow. People forget Colorado, it might snow all the way till May. It has snowed in May, but either way, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe, guys. Bye bye.